Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid. So right now I am in the Williamsfield area at the Seventh-day Adventist Church. So welcome back guys to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid. So if you're just stopping by, you can hit the like button and share and subscribe and press the all icon, so as soon as I upload a video you will be notified. So I'm gonna make a left turn. Yeah man, so we're in the Williamsfield area, very close to Watchwell, Newell, Greenfield, Hopewell, all of them places there, you know. Yeah man, so St. Elizabeth is the bread basket in Jamaica. You can find everything you want there in St. Elizabeth. All you have to say is just say the word and you can find it in St. Elizabeth. So you have to be very careful, because when you're driving on the road you have different type of road users. So you have to look out for them, you know. Yes, the paper. To the Barbary area. Yeah, man, a lot of persons know them place and they call a club, they call it Plum Park. Yeah man, if you remember them club there, Plum Park Club. It's a night club. Don't know if it's still running. But back in the 8 days, you know, so them club they used to say one. So on your right, that's where you have the Barbary Sports Complex. So it's a bit overcast in the Barbary area in St. Elizabeth. So on your right, you have the Plum Park nightclub. So in the Barbary area, you have the Levy Hardware and Furniture Limited. So if you want your hardware supply, you can come to Barbary. you have the Barbary Primary and Infant School. So you know school is not in progress right now because of the pandemic. So when you're in the Barbary area, you can leave from there, go to Black River, Treasure Beach, Fuller's Hood, also to Brucefield. So on your left you have the T&S bar and also your restaurant. You can stop there and have a nice lunch or dinner. So I'm gonna make a right turn, will take you all to Brownberry, go straight back into Mountainside. If you go straight ahead, we'll take you all to Fuller's Hood, Brucefield, Arlington. So I'm gonna make a right turn. people need to know them routes here, you know, because some of the time have some accident or some form of blockage on the road. So now if you take one different route. Man, I'm big up Rasta. So if you don't want no furniture, you can come to Brownberry. You also have a furniture shop in Brownberry. Farming take place. I see a lot of cucumbers. So I'm heading towards the Mountainside area. When you're in the Brownberry area, you get a nice view up in the Monroe area, Malvern side. So on your right you have the Mountainside ball ground. So we're now in the Mountainside area. So I'm gonna make a left turn that can take you back to Burn Savanna. Straight ahead can take you to Malvern, Cheddar Beach, also to Monroe College. So I'm gonna make a left turn. Always remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel through Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid. So thank you guys for watching it.